show you the Darwinex metrics. So when did this start? October. So we're 25% up. A little bit of 1.9% drawdown right now. 2,984 trades, 76% win rate. Not that that means anything. Going fine, going absolutely fine. And I secured capital at the end of December, and I've made, or on course to make, a whopping $55. But we can't have short-sighted thinking here. This account is running. I am not taking hardly much or any energy in how this is run or what daily work I need to do. It's just copying from accounts that are already running. So in 6 months, 12 months, if I'm making 5 to 10 grand a month or a quarter, it doesn't really matter. I'm fine with that. The opportunity and what I get out of it will be dictated by how my accounts run and how consistent I can demonstrate this performance versus most of the other people on Darwinex who probably won't. So I'm also learning about the platform a bit, because I got the capital, and then beginning of the next month, my score was back below and have to rebuild it. I think that's a monthly thing. I'll be honest, I've not fully read everything just because of I could spend a whole day reading it and I've made $55, but all I'm focused on doing is trading this in a sustainable way. And yeah, staying in the game. Staying in the game is the most important bit. Staying in the game, not fucking it up, making steady, consistent returns. And the outcome and the consequence to that is going to be, I get more allocation. You can see in the other Darwin rankings or the Darwinex Gold that there's people out there with a lot of capital. Yeah, so you can see my seed capital of 1. You can see my ranking is 472 out of 4,786. So I'm in the top 10% of traders in the silver in the silver section. My allocation rating is above again at 76.31. So I'm on course to get more capital again. And yeah, I haven't had a losing month on my master account, but this is because of how they copy the master account into the Darwin. So as you can see on my actual master account here, I've not actually had a losing month in November. I'm a little bit down in, there you go, actually no, November was a 7%. This is a little bit of a dip because I've had some long-standing positions in GU and my equity is obviously way up. So I just cut the loss because I'm conscious with Darwin, they look at hold time and exposure and all that sort of thing. So I was like, hey, this has gone a bit outside of a hold time that they would probably deem reasonable. So I just cut the loss, took a little bit of a hit, which means I'm down a little bit this month, but it didn't affect my score because it's based on equity. And I'll probably recoup that in the next week or so anyway. So that was why. So when you do get allocation, if you click on payments and allocation, you'll see estimated performance fees, P&L on that 25K. So, and then click on earnings as well. Still navigating this and what's going on, but you get the gist. You just got to be in it to win it. Again, as I've said many times, if you're not focusing on this, you're a plonker. Simple as that. Get it done, because a year from now, 6 months from now, you'll wish you started now. The best time to start this was 3 months ago. It's something for nothing. Just get it done. And you're not trying to be a hero, making 10% a month. This will actually help you achieve investors' capital, maybe even outside of Darwinex, because you've got this platform which is credible in terms of building a live track record. And yeah, you've just got to do it. It's going to give you confidence in other forms of trading. If you build a track record on here, you're going to get a feel for how to leverage that for prop firms, challenges, live capital. It's just data in incredible live conditions. So you just got to get it done.